In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with Clickbank, and I'm going to be giving a little rundown of affiliate marketing for beginners in 2020. If you're interested in that, please keep watching as I'm about to show you some proven methods to make money with Clickbank through affiliate marketing. Before anything, I would really appreciate if you could smash the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. Okay, so let's get right into this. So for people that are completely new to affiliate marketing and Clickbank and you're wondering what this is, well, essentially it allows you to promote other people's products, right? And when someone buys from your link, you receive a commission based on your efforts. So for example, Amazon has an affiliate network. Many big box retailers have affiliate networks. And when you send someone to their website and they purchase from your link, you're going to receive a commission. Sometimes it's like 5%. 10%, just depending on the affiliate network. Now with Clickbank, they have huge commissions, usually range between 50 and 75%, which is just insane. And it gives you a much bigger piece of the pie, which is great, especially for beginners in 2020. Now, why do I recommend Clickbank over other affiliate networks like Flex Offers, Commission Junction, JVZoo? Well, that's just for the simple reason that it's really good for beginners, as you can instantly sign up and start promoting products without having to submit an application where they review your content on your website, or you might even need a website. With Clickbank, you don't. You can instantly just start promoting products that are pretty good products if you pick the right ones, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So if you're interested in that, please keep watching and let's get right into this. Now, this is Clickbank's marketplace, right? And once you sign up and you create your username or your nickname, they call it, you're going to be allowed access to this marketplace. And you can go over here and you can pick what products you want to promote. And obviously they have lots and lots of categories. Now, it's always best to go with a category that people are very passionate about and spend a lot of money on, right? And that could be a lot of these things. However, the things that are the big winners here, and people are spending millions, if not billions of dollars a year on, are obviously e-business, e-marketing, right? Making money online, and green products, and health and fitness, right? Those are the big niches that you can actually promote products for. So, for example, just for this video's sake, I'm going to go with health and fitness. Now, if you're looking to build a website where you're creating a very niche specific affiliate marketing business, you can go with products that are a bit less competitive if you would like, right? Or niches that are less competitive. However, if you want to make quick sales, I recommend going with some of the more popular categories, right? So we're in the health and fitness here on Clickbank, right? What I recommend you do is you filter the search results by gravity, right? Not by popularity. So gravity is just a little indicator that tells you essentially how good a product is selling and how many people have had success with it, essentially. And the higher the gravity is, pretty much the better. You don't want to have too high gravities, like over 1,000. Here you can see this is 551. And this is 516. This is pretty much the highest one, right? Which I wouldn't always recommend going with, but let's just see what it's about. So the initial sale that you are going to be getting is going to be around $67, and the average sale is the exact same. So every sale that you pretty much make, you're going to be receiving $67 in commission, which is amazing, right? First of all, you need to actually go to their sales page and see how it looks from a customer's point of view. So when you click on that link, it's going to send you to this sales page that will be probably the main sales page, right? They're usually going to have a video sales page and a text sales page. This is the video side, and what you can do, you can just test what works better, right? It's pretty simple. And the great thing is, I do not recommend doing any paid advertisements until you get at least a couple recurring sales. So they're coming in every month or so, or every week. That way you know you're set up and you can actually start doing a little bit of paid advertising. But I don't recommend you do that at the beginning, because that's not very beginner friendly, especially if you don't know how to run Facebook ads or Pinterest ads, right? It's quite confusing. So what I recommend doing is, first of all, you need to establish how you're going to promote it, and if the product's actually good. In this case, is we know this product's pretty good because a lot of people are promoting it and they're actually making money with it. So you go over the sales page, you see if you like it. Now let's go over to the text sales page. You want to get a feel of both sales pages. They're pretty much going to be very similar, just in obviously a text format rather than a video. As you can see, there's a lot of information here, and the website looks pretty good, right? You just want to make sure the website actually looks legit. You don't want looking too spammy and too salesy, because often a lot of ClickBank products are very, I guess you could say, spammy in terms of how they're trying to sell the products, which isn't always that good. Obviously, it does convert sometimes very well because they use tactics that are proven to sell these products. You don't want to promote a product that you don't actually believe in and could see yourself using, right? So if you don't ever see yourself using this product right here, if you think it's a waste of time and money, do not promote it, as you will not be successful when promoting a product you do not believe in. You will get unmotivated and undedicated very quickly, right? You will lose all motivation you have, and you need motivation in the affiliate marketing business, because you may not get your first sale for a week, a month, 2 months. It kind of just depends on how much effort you're putting in, right? That's why it's important to just stay resilient and continuously put in that effort until you get that first sale or first couple of sales. Once you review the sales page, right, you like what you see, you believe in the product, and you can see yourself using it. You want to go to the affiliate page now, and once you click on that link, it's going to send you over here, and then this is essentially just a dashboard for affiliates and different resources you can use. They pretty much give you everything because they want you to sell these products as much as possible, as they make money when you sell them, right? So you can see here that this is the affiliate links. All you have to do is enter in your ClickBank ID. In this case, mine's Jackson, right? So I just copy the link here that they make up for me based off my ClickBank ID. I copy it, and you can essentially just use that on all types of different platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and you're going to send customers to that link, and when they buy something from that link, you will receive a commission. And as you can see, and the reason these companies can give such high commissions is their upfront costs and their overhead is very low, due to the fact that they are selling digital products that can be replicated thousands, millions of times over without any additional effort pretty much. Once you have gotten your link, you can go over some of the resources they provide. They provide email swipes, which are essentially made for you emails that you can send out to your email list if you do have one. If you don't, that's okay, because I'm going to be kind of explaining how you can send emails out automatically to a mass list of people that hopefully will buy your products, and you will receive a commission. Now, they also give you banners that you can use, images, pictures, product images, right? They also give you ad headlines for different social media platforms that you can use, copy and paste, and they are proven to sell, right? They want to be giving you something that's not going to convert very well. So your job is to get people's eyes to that sales page, and if you can do that, you're going to benefit. However, it's not as easy as it sounds, right? You need to build up a following in some way that people care about your opinion, care about the content you're putting out there, and trust what you say and what you're promoting, right? That's the goal here. After you have found a product and received the affiliate link for it and any other resources you need to promote the product, you're going to want to obviously think of some way that you can get people's eyes to it and build a following. Now, there's a couple of ways to do this. For example, if you really want to go right off the bat and make a website, you can. If you have any experience with that, you can use something called Wix, which will be linked below, and it will help you make your website very quick and easy for free pretty much. However, making a website, right, and making a blog can be very, very difficult for beginners, as it really requires you to write amazing articles that will essentially make people want to buy a product, right? Also, it's not only the articles that you have to create, it's how you create them, the keywords you use, the SEO or the search engine optimization, right? To get those articles actually ranking on Google search engine, right? Yes, a website's probably the best way that you can really get past that $10,000 a month level with affiliate marketing, but it's also a way that I think you can use later on and does not have to be right at the beginning, in my opinion. The best way I think you can do it is through Facebook groups as a beginner and promoting Clickbank products. I think it's better than building an Instagram page or even doing blog posts in the beginning, because as a beginner, you're not going to know how to build a successful blog or website, as it takes a lot of skill, right? You need to know how to do SEO or search engine optimization. You need to know how to create article posts that are going to move people to buying a product, which can be very difficult, as it can take a lot of time to make these article posts, and you may not get any sales. Now, to create a Facebook group, it's pretty simple. You just literally go over to Facebook, go to groups, go to create a group, and you can create a group around pretty much anything. You name it, and you decide whether you want it to be private or public. I would say public at the beginning, and then you can turn it to private once you start getting more members, right? Now, after you create your group, you fill out the description, you put a nice little image in the background, right? You describe the group type, keywords and stuff like that, that you want to target for, and you name it. Make sure you name it something that is actually searchable on search engines. So I named it Passive Income, Affiliate Marketing, Entrepreneurship, and Online Success, as it's really pretty much all about that. So if somebody searches up that, hopefully my group will pop up, right? So after you set up your group, right, you're gonna want to go into other groups. So for example, if you made a yoga group and you're promoting a yoga product, so go to groups. There's so many groups that you can actually just join, and you can see that they have thousands of members. Now, once you have joined these groups, you go to the member list and you pretty much just add as many people as you can as friends, right? And make sure that you're not doing it too consistently, as Facebook would notice this. And they'll pretty much flag you, so you won't be able to add people as friends for a little while, but they won't ban you in most cases from adding friends. I've really never seen that. So what I recommend is just doing that. Then you get people that are actually targeted and interested in the same thing, and you get them to join your group, and then you can hopefully promote products directly to them later on, after providing really valuable content, right? You want to be posting at least twice a day. So that's a really easy way to instantly build a following that's targeted and will give you the best chance at making money with affiliate marketing with Clickbank at the beginning, right? As Instagram, it's going to take a while. You're going to have to get at least 1,000 followers, which can honestly take 6 months as a beginner, right? Or even a year, depending on how good you are at building Instagram followings. And even then, you're not going to get many sales through that small amount of following. But with Facebook, most of the people that are on this platform are over the age of 25, 30, right? And they have more money to spend, and they're much more likely to buy certain products than those on Instagram, right? As Instagram obviously has a lot younger user base, which is good for certain things, but for the specific products that we want to promote through Clickbank, often better to go after people that are aged between 25, 40 years old, right? Somewhere within that range, depending again on your niche. Now, if you don't like that idea, if you don't want to use Facebook, you can use Pinterest. Same kind of thing, build up a free following. And this is my Pinterest page, right? And you can build up a following. And if you actually get a decent sized following, it's very powerful on Pinterest. As you can see, I only have 800 impressions, right? So far on my Pinterest account, which is not very great, but I only have 4 pins, right? That's only with 4 pins that I've created. So it's pretty significant, as that's 800 people seeing those pins, and they could potentially click the link if it goes to an affiliate product or goes to my YouTube videos, right? As most of them go to my YouTube videos, as I obviously want to help grow my social media following, right? Now, you can actually directly link it with that link that we received from the affiliate page on Clickbank, right? We can use that link and send them directly to that link, or you can send them to a bridge page, which gives them a free product or a free book, free ebook, and those are landing pages essentially that you can use, and they actually provide you templates with them right here, and you can essentially just copy and paste these landing pages, and simple as that, right? However, you're going to have to use different platforms like ClickFunnels or lead pages if you want to do that, and it kind of just creates an extra step when you don't really need it. You can pretty much just send them directly to the product, make several posts sending them to the same product, as that will give you a better chance at converting someone into purchasing, right? Into making a decision. So that is Facebook and Pinterest, right? Great platforms that you can build free followings through valuable content and hopefully get people to buy your affiliate products. Now, another thing you could use is the platform right now that you're on, YouTube. You can create YouTube videos surrounded by that specific product. Let's say you do a product review, and you do multiple product reviews, or you do an overview of the product, right? You do an unboxing if it's a physical product, stuff like that, right? Get people's eyes to those videos, and then say, if you would like to buy this product, there's a link below, right? And if you get a lot of views, someone's going to click on that link and someone's going to buy it. It's as simple as that. And this is why promoting products with higher commission rates are very great, because you don't want to be making like $10 per sale or $20 per sale, right? You want to be making at least $50 per sale in my mind. And with that one, we're making $67, right? Which is amazing, right? As if you have a YouTube video that gets a few thousand reviews, then you're probably going to get a couple commissions, as people are already coming there with the intent of perhaps purchasing this, right? And if you say good things about it and you mean them, right? You actually believe in the product, that's just going to give them that one extra reason to buy it, right? And hopefully they'll click on your link rather than going to the website, which most people actually do, because if you say the link's below rather than them having to just type it in, you're probably going to get the click before they look it up themselves. If you truly want to make, let's say, more than $10,000, $15,000 a month with affiliate marketing, which I'm sure you do, right? Everybody wants to make that kind of money, but still, you need to start with the free platforms, right? So let's say you build a Facebook group to 2,000, 3,000 members, right? Then I would suggest creating a blog or a website that will essentially send people from the Facebook group to your website, right? Which is really important. You want to get these people off of other platforms and start getting them onto your own platform. That way you can get to know these people even better by tracking exactly what they do through pixels, right, on your website. And also it will allow you to collect emails, which will help you build your email list, which can be another source of affiliate income if you promote Clickbank products through your emails that you send out, and those emails that you receive from your website, right? And obviously, once you have your own website, and if you know what you're doing, hopefully you rank on Google search engines, depending on what you're targeting and how competitive it is, right? With creating a website, it's quite complicated, so I'll make a whole separate video on how you can do that. But if you already know how to do that, I recommend doing that right off the bat, and connecting it to your Facebook groups and to your Pinterest, and that will all lead into a great free traffic source for your website, which will hopefully be creating valuable and quality article posts that will surround several products that you can promote. That way you'll have a better chance at getting some kind of commission, right? Let's say if you're promoting one product and somebody sees that one product and they don't like it, they don't buy it. But let's say if you're promoting two products and you're comparing the two, and one person likes the other product and one person doesn't like that product, but they like the other product, you're going to get a sale either way. You're going to get commission either way. That's why I always recommend when you make an article post, try to essentially promote more than one product within that post. If you do all of these things, which I recommend you do Facebook, you do Pinterest, you do YouTube, you do your website, then everything is linked together and people are constantly flowing from one platform to the next, which will help you get even more sales and commission. So if you enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, I truly appreciate each and every one of my subscribers and my viewers. And if you haven't subscribed already, I recommend you do, and also turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. Also, please smash the like button on this video if you did enjoy it, as it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, follow my Instagram at JacksonSummers111. I post all types of awesome photos and videos there that will hopefully bring you some sort of value, and you'll also be alerted whenever a new video comes out. So thanks again so much for watching, and stay safe.